Today, I want to talk about the child that you have put every intervention you can possibly think about into place. You are using a positive reinforcing behavior plan, perhaps. You have sensory tools that are being implemented. You have the safe space. You've got 3 or 4 adults that are responding when the child has a difficult time and it's not working. I think what happens is sometimes we lose sight of our one goal. What's that goal? To keep that child in school without disruption for a whole day, for many days. Intervention is super important, but when they're not available for intervention, sometimes we might have to think about just going back to just pure management. Let me give you an example. You take away all of those different things you've been trying, and you go back to that simple, when the child disrupts the classroom, they go here to a space that's safe, and maybe there's not a lot going on there. One person sits with them, doesn't give them a lot of interaction, just kind of co-regulates, and nothing else is happening. Eventually, if the child comes around, they go back to class when they're in a good space, and we hope to kind of decrease the frequency of that and the intensity of the disruption. If it doesn't happen there and the child continues to escalate and we can't seem to keep them and they run out and they're running down the halls now, maybe it's time for a call home. Maybe the child has to go home, which nobody wants to do, and always check with your districts as far as putting a plan into place with that to make sure that that's okay. But let's say if we just do something consistently, this is what happens when you disrupt. This is where you go. Not a lot of entertainment. There's an adult there to co-regulate with you, but you're not getting a ton of attention at that moment. I've had kids who have even said, this is boring. I want to go back to class. That's exactly what we want. So think of what you could do consistently without a lot of language, without a lot of external types of rewards. Just this is how I'm going to respond every single time. And hopefully the child begins to see that that consistency may help them feel more in control. And then we look at, are we able to see them in school all day without disruption? If we can add on hours or add on minutes from where they are now, then that's success. And only then are we able to get the intervention in.